Hello everyone, this is Ashwin Singh. Welcome back to our channel Code Cat. So in our earlier video, we have seen like how we have integrated Stack Navigator in our application. So we are just going to integrate this bottom tab Navigator in our home page. So here you can see I'm having this code. Let's collapse this. So this is our folder structure where we have Navigator, and we have divided our navigation into two parts: app navigation and auth navigation. Okay, and that is being used under this root navigation. Okay, so what is app navigation? Whenever user is authenticated, then he will be on app navigator, okay, where he can access the friends list, okay, and also he can access the chat list. So if I show you here, so this is the friend list, and if I click on this, then the UI will be seen. Okay, let's, yeah, so it is visible now. So you can see here I'm having this chat where I can chat with another person, and I'm having chat of that particular person. Okay, so that's how things looks like. Okay, let's collapse this again. Okay, so here things are very simple. Like I have used this tab navigator, and under that we have the stack screen, which refer to the friend. Okay, the home page is referred to the friend, then I'm having this chat. Okay, in the same manner, we have this auth navigator. Under this auth navigator, we have two of these screens. One is login and another is sign up. Okay, and we have this root navigator. Under this root navigator, we have seen that this is navigator container. Okay, under that we have condition. If there is particular user present, then we can see only app navigation, and if it doesn't present, then it means user have to log in or do the sign up flow. Okay, so let's do one thing. If we'll come back to this bottom tab navigator, okay, so we have to install this. So we have already installed this, so we can skip this step. So first of all, we have to create a bottom tab navigator file. So let's copy this code also, because this is going to be used. So here we need to create a file called bottom tab navigator, okay, dot tsx. Then paste the code. Then we have to export it. Okay, now we have this error. So react must, okay, this is because we have to import react from react, okay, like this. And then we have to pass home screen. So my home screen is this friends screen. Okay, so that is already present, so I'll pass this. And I don't have a profile, so I'll create some dummy like this. Okay, and make it some, okay, nah, name is profile. Okay, and then we have to import this text component from React Native. Okay, now fix this ESLint. Now save it, and then this my tabs should be used under this app navigator. So right now my home screen is this, so I'll replace this with my tabs. Cool. Now fix this prettier and ESLint problems. Now save it, and if we'll come back then, and we have to, okay, yeah, now you can see I can see this bottom tab, but right now there's a header. Okay, so we need to hide that. So do that. What we have to do, come back to my tabs. Okay, and there we have screen options. Okay, under that we have header shown. Okay, we have to pass it false. Now you can see, okay, now you can see that header is gone. If I'll click on this one, then it will be look like this. Okay, pretty good. Now we have also option of passing icons. So we have, there is options. Okay, under that we have tab bar icon. Okay, and under that what we have to pass, the icon. Okay, so I just need to pass this image like this. Okay, from React Native. Okay, then source. Okay, and here I have to pass this require. dot slash assets slash uh this is home. So my home is messages, so I'll say messages dot png. Okay, now right now I'm not using this, so I can remove this, save it, modify the code. Let's see if the icon name is correctly mentioned. That is not messages, that is message. Okay, now you can see, I can see that image. Okay, now title should be null, that empty string. Okay, we have to pass some height. Okay, maybe 25, and some width, maybe some 25, like 10. If I'll pass 10, nothing is working like this, so let's move to another approach by styling. Okay, okay, now it works. The same manner we have to pass icon to this. Okay, so I'll say this as user. Okay, cool. In the same manner we can have some another screen. Okay, I'll say setting. Okay, and this should be setting. Okay, now things looks nice. If I click on this profile, then also I have this screen. If I click on this settings again, then I'm having this. Okay, so we have also option of customizing this header, not the header, that bottom tab. Okay, so if I'll come here, and we can see there is a tab style, something like this, tab bar style. Okay, if I want to pass background color to red, then also you'll find out this is going to be changed like this. Okay, that's all about today's video. If you learned something from this, then please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.